How to activate Metro Bank credit card online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in Metro Bank credit card activation and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, metrobankcard.com. Open it. With that, you'll be directed to the card activation page. Now from here, you are able to activate your card. All you have to do is fill this. First up, go ahead and type in the credit card number. Then select the expiration date. Then type in the CAPTCHA over here and then click on proceed. Ensure the information is correct to avoid any issues with activation. Review the details entered and confirm the activation. You might receive a one-time verification code on your registered mobile number or email to complete the process. Once you complete those steps, your card will be activated. So this way you can easily activate Metro Bank credit card online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.